Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones chart. Yesterday it was making new highs, but today it is trading almost near the lowest point of the day. It recently made the low of 30,903 and currently Dow Jones is trading 30,955. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. Current Dow Jones resistance stands at 31,120. Dow Jones support stands at 30,780. Currently Dow Jones is trading in weak zones, so avoid going for buy, but if Dow Jones break 31,120 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 31,300 once again, and afterwards we may also see 31,500. Currently Dow Jones is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently it is trading 13,330. It also made low around 315 and high around 415. Currently it is trading 13,330. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq support stands at 13,290. If Nasdaq break this support and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 13,100 and 13,000. Nasdaq resistance stands at 13,450. If Nasdaq break 450 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 13,600 and even 13,900. Currently Nasdaq is the only US index which is in positive zone, but if Nasdaq break the support, then Nasdaq will also enter in weak zone. Now let's move on to S&P. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 38.29. It made high around 38.57 today and low around 38.22. Currently it is also trading in weak zone, but let's have a look at resistance and support. Resistance stands at 38.52. Support stands at 37.98. As said earlier, S&P is also in weak zones, avoid going for buy, but if S&P break 38.51 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect S&P to test around 38.70 and even 3900 will be possible. Now let's move on to see the gold chart. If you want to avail my paid and buy sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. When I made the video in Asian session, gold was trading around 1860, and if you want to see my Asian session video, you can subscribe my Hindi channel. I have given link in description. Even if you do not understand Hindi, you will be able to understand the level. I write levels in notepad on my Hindi channel as well. Currently gold is trading 1843. It has almost crashed $20 since morning. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. Gold resistance stands at 1865. Gold support stands at 1828. Currently gold is trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy, but if gold break 1865 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect gold to test around 1875 and even $1900. Today is Friday, so even if you are buy or in sell, I will not recommend you to hold any position for Monday. 2 days are quite enough to turn the trend again. So if you are holding any position, I'll ask you to reconsider that. Now let's move on to Euro. This is Euro chart. It made high around 21.89 and currently trading 21.63. Obviously it is trading in positive zone, but let's have a look at resistance and support. Support stands at 21.30. Resistance stands at 21.90. Currently Euro is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell, but if Euro break 21.30 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Euro to test around 2100 and 2050. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin hourly chart. Currently it is trading 31,500. It made low around 28,950 today. After that it had recovered to test around $32,000. Currently it is trading 31,500. Today's resistance stands at $33,200. Bitcoin support stands at $28,750. Currently Bitcoin is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my WhatsApp number in description. For live market updates, consider joining me on Twitter and Telegram. I have given link in description. Now I will see you Monday. Till then, take care. Bye bye.